This is Janelle Penny, Editor-in-Chief of Buildings, and I'm here with Cliff Goldman, who's the Executive Chairman of Carnegie. And I'm here today to talk about the Xorel Artform Baffles. Cliff, how do they work?
So the whole system is based on the Xorel textile, which is a high-performance, easy to clean, sustainable material. And what we've done is taken the Xorel design system and put it into a format and an end product for ceiling baffles. It enables the end user to realize a lot of design possibilities with the Xorel design system in terms of colors, patterns. There are hundreds of options. What's great about the baffles, they perform from an acoustical standpoint, but they also give a great visual variety of looks depending on where you're standing in the space, because they're two-sided, fully upholstered, and you can create a different perspective from where you come onto the floor plate and see the baffles from, whether it's color or pattern or scale. The other great thing about Xorel is it's easy to clean, you can wipe it down, it's bleach cleanable, and it's got a great sustainability story. It's cradle-to-cradle certified.
Great. Could you tell me a little bit more about the sustainability story?
Yes, so Xorel is a polyethylene product. It was cradle-to-cradle certified back in 2007. And then in 2013, we introduced a bio-based version, which is actually sourced from sugarcane instead of fossil fuel. And that's a cradle-to-cradle gold product. So there's a wide variety of looks and textures and patterns that you can use with the Xorel product.